Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use Google Pay on the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So Google have rebranded this to Google Wallet, just keep that in mind. So you will need to download the Google Wallet app, I'll have it in the description. Just open up the app, and then you're going to see here, add to wallet, tap on this one, and you'll see all of these options. So just keep in mind, transit pass, loyalty, card and gift card, these need to support Google Pay, just keep that in mind. But I'm going to tap on payment cards. New debit or credit card, and then you just either place your card in the frame of your camera, so in my hand, just place it in the frame, or you can enter the details in manually. Now once your card is added, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the settings app, and then from here you're going to search it for NFC, and just make sure use NFC is enabled. Okay, once you've done that, we'll just tap into here. We're going to tap on contactless payments, make sure payment default is set to Google Pay, and then from here, when you want to make a payment, you just bring your phone close to the card reader or the reader which supports Google Pay, and then just like that, Google Pay will do its magic and the payment will be processed. Now keep in mind, if your device is locked, it may ask you to unlock the device with a fingerprint in order for the transaction to go through, but if your device is unlocked, you won't need to do any of that. So that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.